Hi there guys, in this video I will show you how to set speed limit in Google Maps. Firstly, get up into your application, then tap on your profile icon on your right upper side. Then just go right down and select settings, scroll down again and go for notification settings. Then scroll down again, and here on driving options you're gonna find out speedometer. But also, if you have the latest version of Google Maps, you need to go up and select speed limits. Here you're gonna have that option for speed limits. You need just to turn on the option on speed limits. And before you do that, as I said before, you need to go into your Play Store, and then you need to type for Google Maps, because you need to have the latest version of that section. As you can see here, I have that option to get up into the updating section or the latest version of Google Maps, and it will brings me to the main point of this site. Thanks for watching guys. Don't forget to hit that like and share the video. See you soon.